Ever wondered how a high-performance linear amplifier is built from scratch in Italy? Today, we're covering the Italy-built story behind the Tribute Vol 6 linear amplifier, a unique blend of Italian design and engineering. This is where the magic happens, the voltage underground, a full walkthrough of the Tribute Vol 6's inner workings, from the power supply to the output stage. We'll take a look at the key components that make this amplifier tick. From the tubes to the transformers, every detail matters to ensure maximum performance and reliability. Now let's dive into the build process itself. From preparing the chassis to installing the final components, attention to detail is crucial at every step. The Italy-built Tribute Vol 6 is a testament to Italian engineering, a high-performance linear amplifier that's sure to impress. Whether you're a seasoned builder or just starting out, full build guide is available for $14.99.